have been destroyed near Konstantinovka, Fyodorovka, Donetsk People's Republic, Malyevka, Dnepropetrovsk region, and Nikolaev.
These are the news update of the Russian invasion to Ukraine, updated on July 21st, 2022. The Russian Defense Ministry spokesperson Igor Konashenkov reported that according to the data, on July 16, a high-precision attack by the Russian aerospace forces on a makeshift base station by the nationalists at the Imperial Recreation Center in Konstantinovka, Odessa region. This attack resulted in annihilation for more than 600 militants, including more than 120 foreign mercenaries. In addition, the July 17 attack a makeshift base on Armed Forces of Ukraine unit stationed in a fresh warehouse in Nikolaev reportedly resulted in elimination more than 320 nationalists. Faced significant losses in eastern part of Ukraine, the inhabitants of the western region mobilized for Armed Forces of Ukraine refused to go to Donbass. All soldiers of the 100 Lungs Territorial Defense Brigade in Volhynia regions refused to participate in this operation. The Armed Forces of Ukrainian Command disarmed the brigade. The initiators were arrested. The formation was reformed. Operational and tactical and military aviation, message troops, and artillery continued to launch attacks against military installations in Ukraine. The list of the neutralized target, including 9 command posts, including one of 59th Naval Brigade in Nikolaev, where foreign mercenaries were stationed, as well as one of the 14th Mechanized Brigade near Artyomovsk and headquarters to Ukrainian Security Service in Kramatorsk. 6 missile artillery and ammunition depots were destroyed near Konstantinovka, Fyodorovka, Donetsk People's Republic, Malyevka, Dnepropetrovsk region, and Nikolaev. The list of neutralized targets in framework of counter-battery warfare include 1 Uragan multiple rocket launcher system battery and 1 Acacia self-propelled howitzer battery with a counter-battery warfare radar near Zarosnoye Kharkov region, and Ukrainian-grade platoons multiple rocket launcher system near Zanadovka, Kirovo, Soledar, Krasnoye, Patunovka, Kirovo, Donetsk People's Republic, Dopepole, Zaporozhye region, and Shirokoye, Nikolaev region. 9 D-20 howitzer platoons and 7 D-gun platoons near Seversk, Kirovo, Novopiliovka, Konstantinovka, Kleshcheyevka, Gorkievka, Donetsk People's Republic, Novopalovka, Felsovoye, Zaporozhye region, as well as Doborye, Nikolaev region. The Russian aerospace forces fighter jets shot down 1 Ukrainian Air Forces Su-25 aircraft near Kramatorsk, Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defensemen shot down a Ukrainian Air Forces Mi-8 helicopters near Permofolsky, Nikolaev region, as well as 5 Ukrainian unmanned area vehicles near Topolskoye, Dementievka, Peshchanoye, Kharkov region, Yenakievko, Makeyevka, Donetsk People's Republic. 8 projectiles fired of Uragan multiple rocket launcher near Chernobyevka, Kazachye, Lageria, Kherson region, and Kamenka, Kharkov region were intercepted. A total of 260 aircraft and 144 helicopters, 1,577 unmanned area vehicles, 356 air defense missile system, 4,135 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 762 multiple rocket launcher system equipped combat vehicles, 3,174 artillery guns and mortars campaigned, and 4,413 military special equipment were destroyed during the special military operation.